Hello, this is the first video of the Beginning Artificial Intelligence series, and I wanted to quickly go over how to install packages that we'll need for future videos. So first, you want to download Anaconda to handle downloading packages. Anaconda makes it a little simpler than pip. You want to select your operating system, which I'm on Windows. You want to download Python 3.7 and install it. Once it's installed, you want to open up command prompt and you want to type this command right here. This is the environment name. I'm calling it BAI for Beginning Artificial Intelligence. This is the version. Eventually we'll be able to use 3.8, but as of right now, the packages are not updated to do that. Once you press enter on that command, you want to activate it through this command. Put the name right here. Press enter. Now you can see, I already had it, but you can see it right here. It should pop up on your command prompt. And now you can install stuff, which I already have installed NumPy, but I'll quickly just type it and press enter for you. It'll say I already have it installed. If we want to make sure we've installed it correctly, we can do import NumPy. If we don't get any errors, we know we have it installed. Now we're going to need to install a bunch of stuff. I have it in this list. I'll put it on my GitHub. Pretty much, if you're using Conda, you want to type these commands. If you're using pip, you want to type these. And to test everything, you want to type that. Alright, now to quickly show, in those commands I downloaded TensorFlow, not the TensorFlow for the GPU. If you have a good GPU, you want to try to get it to work, TensorFlow to work with the GPU. So you can follow this link here and follow the directions, which it will explain how to do. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we'll actually have an introduction to NumPy.